We're going to talk about installing and removing the exoskeleton and hand strap for the TC53 and the TC58. You'll see that in the TC53 and 58, the exoskeleton is two pieces. Separately, the hand strap no longer needs to be connected to the exoskeleton, so it can be used with or without the exoskeleton. So we're going to install the terminal into the exoskeleton. What I'm going to do is slide the terminal. You'll see that it just slides down. Now I'm going to take the back of the exoskeleton, and there's two guide rails here. So I'm just going to align with the guide rails. I'm just going to snap. Now we'll see that the exoskeleton is installed on the terminal. Now we'll take our hand strap, and you see that there's two clips. There's a top clip and a bottom clip. Here on the top clip, there's spacing that can be used for a stylus tether. There's also a holder for a stylus here. We're simply going to click up to the top, and we're going to click down. Now, if we're going to swap out the battery, we only have to remove the top clip. We can hold it, push up like that. Now we have easy access to the battery to remove. If we want to remove the hand strap, two fingers like that, removes it. Now, when we remove the rugged boot, we just have to pull on this area here, so just from this section to this section. So pull on one side, pull on the other side. You can see that we can now remove the terminal. That's how you install and remove TC53 hand strap and exoskeleton.